Hello again in a new video. In this video I'll be showing you a method that you can use to run Civil 3D 2012 on your PC if you have like Windows 10. Okay, so unfortunately there is no solution for the Civil 3D to be working on Windows 10. I've tried multiple solutions but nothing worked. Okay, so whenever you work on it, just after a couple of steps on its tabs or tools, it just stop working. Okay, so I've made a method, or I have a method that you could use it if you want. It's kind of complicated a little bit, but it's good. So first of all, you need to install the Oracle VM VirtualBox. I don't know if you heard about it before. Okay, so when you install it, you're going to have this interface. You're going to create new windows. So I've created my Windows 7, and when you create it, make sure that you make the display settings VBox SVGA and enable 3D acceleration. This way the Google Earth is going to work. If you choose something else, it won't work with you. Alright? Okay. So after you've installed it, try to find a Windows 7 copy, 32-bit, 64-bit, whatever you like. Okay, and just install it on the VM VirtualBox, and when you install it, you will get it like this. As you can see here, I have Windows 7 here. Okay, so I'm going to open the Autocad Civil 3D for you, and you'll see that there is no problems, there is no bugs here at all. Okay, your PC must be kinda having at least 4 gig RAMs, or let's say more, because 4 gig RAMs is kinda old. So 4 gig RAMs, you have good video card, you have good Intel. For me here, I'm using Intel i7. Alright, so this all depends on your computer, on your PC or your laptop, because basically it is about the performance. Okay, so wait for it until it's open. Okay, as you can see now it's opening, and till now I didn't face any problem. It might be a little bit slower because it's the first time I log into the Windows and open it. So always when it starts, it takes time. Just wait for it, and okay, and it's kinda open now. Alright, and it's done. Okay. Okay, so it's not bad, it's good. Actually, you can use it if you want to grab a map from Google Earth or something else. Okay, so let's see here. The tabs are not so slow, they are good. Okay, so suppose that we are going to have a map from Google Earth. So as I told you, at the options for the Google Earth, for the VirtualBox, sorry, outside, if you wanted Google Earth to work, okay, you need to select this one. Okay, where's the settings? You need to select for the display, you need to select the VBox SVGA and to enable 3D acceleration, or Google Earth won't work with you. Alright, so if you want to install the VM box, okay, just try to find a tutorial on YouTube on how to install it, or it's actually so easy. You need your ISO copy, yeah. So suppose that we have this road and we want to import it to the AutoCAD Civil 3D 2012. Okay, so if you see here, okay, Google Earth, I can have the surface. I can hit enter, another enter, and give it okay. Okay, and here you go. You see, it's a piece of cake. It's so easy. It won't stop with you. You won't have any problems. So basically, this is for you if you want to use Civil 3D 2012. If you want this copy, you can get it by your methods, your ways. Okay, you can use it. For me, this is the best way to bring contour maps. I can use Global Mapper. I know it's mostly used nowadays, but I like using this way for me. Alright, so as I told you, this is an alternative way to use AutoCAD Civil 3D 2012 without any problems by installing VM VirtualBox. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope you've understood what I just said. Try to know what I mean about it. So it's up to you to choose your method. This is all for now. Thank you for your watching, and I wish you a good day. Bye bye.